Alright, today we are going to fix grout that is cracked. You can see there's a nice big crack along here. Basically what we're going to do is we're going to use this Caracalx. And it's white. You can get it to match your grout, but it's a sanded grout caulk. And so we're just going to spread that on there and watch the crack disappear. So you'll need of course, the grout, and then you'll need a caulking gun, which has one of these. You'll cut the tip of the caulk, and you'll cut this at an angle. You'll then insert this part. It will puncture a hole into the caulk, and therefore you'll be able to squeeze it out. You then just go ahead and take your caulking gun and run it along where the crack is. Nice, just get a nice small coat, and you'll just do that all the way along. And then what you'll do is with your finger just go ahead and run it along the bead. And you may have to go over it a couple of times. And when you need to, just go ahead and wipe off the tip, get that cleaned off, and then just go ahead and continue on. But you just need a real tiny bit on here. But this caulk works really well. And then again, you take your finger and just run it right along there. And you can see how well it secures that. And then you just take a rag and wipe off the excess amount, or a paper towel. And I think you get the gist of what we're doing. So you can see this is what it looks like after we've completed that. See, there are no more cracks, and we would encourage you to subscribe to Big Al Repairs. Thanks so much, and have a great day.